going in, we're feeling real fly. Me and my girls are pumped up.
That's right.
Gonna see some dolphins for the end of the night.
Hold up, past the sunscreen. Can nobody stop us from doing our thing? We flossin' on them with our bling bling.
Pinkie Pie's on deck and it's fire she'll bring.
We hotties on a yachty, it's a special kind of party. Setting sail so we can play with girls and take us away. We got floaty woaties, beach toadies, queens of the sea. We're fabulous, phenomenal. Don't you agree? Hey, 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 hands in the air. Oh, 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 wind in our hair. We're hopping on, so float along, cause EG's on this yacht. Hey, hey, sipping on lemonade. Shining bright, but we're throwing no shade. Exclusively, we're VIP, cause EG's on this yacht. Oh no!
The sun's beating down. AJ fell asleep when no one was around.
What?
Now she's got a burn and a serious frown. That won't even stop me from really getting down.
Hey! DJ, drop that beat. She knows what we need to make us move our feet. Diving in the pool to escape the heat.
Now we're getting hungry and it's time to eat.
Love to honest with the platter, cause the cost don't even matter. All expenses are paid. Easy cruise. Little boats are drifting by, seagulls up in the sky. We're a picture of perfection as we wave to them. Hey, 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 hands in the air. Oh, 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 wind in our hair. We're hopping on, so float along, cause EG's on this yacht. Hey, hey, sipping on lemonade. Shining bright, but we're throwing no shade. Exclusively, we're VIP, cause EG's on this yacht.
Worldwide, y'all. Equestria Girls Crew. Keeping it hot on a yacht. And it's all